Go, Kyrie. Wow, good job. Happy. Teacher's happy. High five. High five. High five. Yay.
Go. Get one.
Kyrie. Finish letter Y. This is the purple one. Go, Kyrie. Go, Kyrie. Go, Kyrie. Go, Kyrie. Come on. Very good. Next. R. Finish letter R. Go, Kyrie. Go, Kyrie. Yay! Good job. Get another color. Go, Kyrie. There's yellow now. Go, Kyrie. Go, Kyrie. Go, Kyrie. Oh, you're laughing now. You're happy? You can do it, Kyrie. You can do it. More. More. Kyrie, here you go. Yellow paper, Kyrie. Get it. Go, Kyrie. Finish your name. Almost done. Go, crumple. Very good. Jump on one. One. 3, 4.
6, 7,
Where's 8?
8,
Where's 9?
9, 10.
Yay! Can you fix this? Fix this one. The blocks. The colorful blocks. Fix. Match to the color. Correct color. Pink. Where's pink? Where's pink? Pink. Oh, where's... Good. Pink. Very good. Green.
Next. Go.
Yay! High five, Kyrie!